Social Science, Standard 9, History, Unit 1, Evolution of Humans and Society Prehistoric Period, Part 5. In this part, we are going to see about the Iron Age, Megalithic period. The Iron Age was a formative period, and the foundation for the Sangam Age was laid in this time. During the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people, and exchange relationship developed among the people. The people of this age had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. They used iron and bronze objects and gold ornaments. They used shell ornaments and beads made of carnelian and quartz. The evidence for Iron Age is found at many sites including Adichanallur, Thuthukudi district, Sanur near Madurandagam and Sithanavasal near Pudukkottai. Megalithic burial sites are found in all parts of Tamil Nadu. Megalithic burial types. The Iron Age is also known as megalithic since people created burials with large stones for the dead people. Within these burials, the skeletons or a few bones of the dead persons were placed along with the grave goods, including iron objects, carnelian beads, and bronze objects. Some of the burials do not have human bones and they have only the grave goods. They may be called memorial burials. Grave goods are the objects placed in the burials along with the physical remains of the dead. People may have believed that these would be useful in the afterlife. Egyptian pyramids also have similar artifacts. Similar burials were also built in the early historic period or the Sangam age. The Sangam literature mentions the various burial practices of the people of Tamil Nadu. The megalithic burials are also classified as dolmens, cists, menhirs, rock cut caves, urn burials, and sarcophagus. The burial types of Kodakkal, Topical, and Pathikal are found in Kerala. Dolmens, table-like stone structures were erected as funerary monuments. Cists are stone enclosures buried under the earth. They were created by placing 4 stone slabs on the sides, one on top of each other. The cists or dolmens have openings called portholes. Urns or pottery jars and were used for burying the dead. Sarcophaги or burial receptacles made of terracotta. They sometimes had multiple legs. Menhirs are pillar-like stones erected as part of the burials or memorials. Portholes are holes found in the cist and dolmens on one side. They may have erected as the entrance to the burials. There is a view that they were meant for the movement of the soul or spirit. The menhirs may have been erected for the heroes in the Iron Age. The tradition of hero stone might have begun in the Iron Age or even before. Agriculture and pastoralism. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were hunting and gathering. Millets and rice were cultivated. Irrigation management developed in this period, since many of the megalithic sites are found nearby rivers and tanks. In the deltaic regions, irrigation as a technology had been developed. Evidence of rice is seen in the megalithic sites like Adichanallur in Thuthukudi district and Porundal near Padani. Iron Age society and polity. The Iron Age society had farming. Communities, pastoralists and hunter-gatherers, craft specialists, potterers, and blacksmiths were the professionals during this period. The society has several groups of peoples. The size of the burials and the variations found in the burial goods suggest the existence of numerous social groups and their diverse practices. Some of them seem to have organized chiefdoms. Cattle lifting leading to wars and encroachment and expansion of territories had also started taking place in this period. Pottery. Pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological sites. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used to black and red colors to make black war and red war pottery. Potteries were used for cooking, storage, and dining purposes. The black and red ware pottery had black inside and red outside with lustrous surfaces. Iron technology and metal tools. The megalithic burials have abundant iron objects placed in the burials as grave goods. Weapons such as swords and daggers, axes, scissors, lamps, and tripod stands are also found. Some of these objects were hafted to wooden or bone or horn handles and used. The iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering, and in battles. Bronze bowls, vessels with stylish finials decorated with animals and birds, bronze mirrors, and bells have also been found. Yes, students. Briefly, we are going to recall what are the things we learned in this unit 1. The history of humans is intimately linked with the history of the earth. The earth originated around 4.54 billion years ago. The ancestor of human called hominins appeared about 5 to 7 million years ago. Although people gave divine explanations for the origin of humans, science believes in the theory of human evolution from the great apes. Humans began to domesticate animals and cultivate crops. The agricultural revolution led to many changes. Humans lived in permanent houses. The earliest evidence of humans is available in Tamil Nadu around 2 to 1.5 million years ago. The Middle Paleolithic culture is found in some parts of our state. Mesolithic people lived in all parts of Tamil Nadu. Neolithic culture is limited to northwestern part of Tamil Nadu. The Iron Age saw further expansion of people in various cultural zones. The foundation of subsequent Sangam age was laid during this age. Iron tools were used in agriculture. Yes, students, I hope you maybe understand the concept of this lesson. Thank you. Bye.